In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete passkey on Amazon account. If you've set up a passkey for passwordless sign-in and you no longer use that device or you just want to tighten your security, removing an old passkey is quick and safe. Before we begin, make sure you can still sign in with your regular Amazon password or another verification method, because once a passkey is deleted, you won't be able to use that specific device or key to log in anymore. Start by opening your web browser and heading to do.amazon.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into the account where the passkey was set up. It's important you're on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. At the top right of the homepage, look for Account and Lists. Click it to open your account area. This takes you to the central hub for all your personal settings. From here, find and select Login and Security. You might be asked to confirm your identity. Amazon sometimes prompts for your password or a one-time code when you access security settings. That's normal and helps keep your account safe. Inside Login and Security, look for the passkey section and open it. This page shows the passkeys currently associated with your account. You may see entries for different devices like your phone, laptop, or a hardware security key. If you're not sure which is which, check the device names or any labels you used when you created them. Choosing the correct one matters because deleting the wrong passkey means that device will no longer sign you in without a password. Select the passkey you want to remove. Once highlighted or opened, you'll see an option to delete. Click Delete. Amazon will usually ask you to confirm that choice. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm to finalize. After a moment, the passkey will disappear from the list. That's your confirmation that it's been removed from your account. A few tips as you wrap up. If you only had one passkey and you delete it, your account will simply fall back to password and any two-step verification you've set up. If you use multiple devices, repeat this process to remove any others you no longer control. And if you don't see the passkey option, try switching to a desktop browser, ensuring you're signed in to the correct regional site, or updating your app or browser, since security settings can vary slightly by region and device. That's it. Your selected passkey is now deleted, and your account is up to date.